Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Carme 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set the watch face with the custom image on this device. To set the watch face with the custom image on your Lenovo Carme, you need to pair your watch with the phone via the Lenovo Live application. Once the devices are paired, open the Lenovo Live application on your phone. If asked for the permissions, you can deny them or allow them. I'm just gonna allow the permission. Here I'm just gonna cancel this. And now you should see the home page of the Lenovo Live App. Right here, tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And on this page, tap on the Lenovo Carme 2, basically this device called HW25H. To select it. Oh, my bad. Right here. And once you open this page, the device page for your Lenovo Carme 2, you can scroll down, tap on the dial option. And here, as you can see, we have the list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. And at the bottom, we have this watch face, and it has this edit button next to it. Tap on the edit button, and as you can see here, we can customize the watch face. First, we can select the picture. Tap on this button right here, allow the permission for the camera, and now we have two options. Take a photo, basically take a photo with the camera, and you can use that photo as the watch face, or choose local photo, so select the photo from gallery basically. I'm gonna select the second option. Select the app with which I want to open the gallery, then just once. And now let's find the photo we want to use for our watch face. I'm just gonna find the download album, and here select the photo by tapping on it. Again, select the app with which we want to customize the photo, and now we can basically crop the photo. To do it, simply swipe left and right. You can also make this frame smaller or bigger, and then you can also rotate it by swiping left and right here. Basically, whatever is gonna be in this frame, it's gonna be on your watch face. Once you move the watch face to the desired, or rather you center the watch face the way you like it, tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see here, we have a preview of our watch face, and we can customize a few more options. First option is time position. You can tap on it, and you can select above or below. I'm gonna select above, for example, and tap on confirm. As you can see, the time moved to the top of the watch face. Next time we have, or rather next option we have is above time, and here basically you can select widget, and there is above time and below time. Let's tap on above, select, for example, heart rate, and then tap confirm. And below, let's select, for example, sleep, and tap on confirm. As you can see, the widgets changed. And the last option we can change is the text color. As you can see, select the one you like. And once you're done, tap on the save button right here in the top right corner. Oh, did it save? Oh, it's uploading. So we need to wait until the uploading process is complete. And once it's done, the watch face should be applied on our watch. As you can see, it is. And that's how you set the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.